Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm for December of 2021. The last Boxycharm of the year, and probably my last Boxycharm ever. But I mean, you guys know how it is. I usually like cancel and then resubscribe, but when they price hiked it, I was like, you know what? It's so unbelievably rare that I even shop their pop-ups. Like, rare. Okay, so it's like I don't need to keep Boxycharm around when I just don't need to. If I want a product, I'm just gonna pay for it. I don't know. I'm kind of over Boxycharm, and with it going up in price, it's just not worth it anymore for me. So I canceled again, but this time I probably won't resubscribe. I probably will. But anyways, let's open up my Boxycharm and see what I got for this month. If you are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, especially if you've already clicked on this video and you're watching. It would mean it so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so Gift of Glam is the theme this month, and based off of the products that are already in my box, not a fan, and I'm actually okay with canceling because this one is just kind of like not that good. Okay, so first product I am pulling out is this set of sponges. This is from our Sally Beauty, the Bella Sponge Duo. I do have a few liners from this brand, and it's actually, they have really good liners. So this is just basically a sponge set for $24. Would I ever pay $24 for sponges? Absolutely not. So blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with the super soft Our Sally Bella Sponge Duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, and cream products. Need to bake. The Bella Sponge's pointed tip provides precise application of powder. Your complexion cold, and the Our Sally Bella Sponge is the answer. They are very soft. So, I mean, I'm still going to use them because I do use sponges, so happy to have them. Next up, we have my Choice, which, by the way, Choice was not my favorite. I was just like, I don't want either one of these products. But I went ahead and picked the Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. This retails for $68. It says a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, and puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. I'm actually going to put this up to the test and use it. Because up to 10 days, in just 10 days, we're gonna test that, okay? It's formulated with Algenist patent and exclusive Hyaluronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergistically work by energizing and increasing skin luminosity. So I'm gonna give you guys an update because I will be using this, because in 10 days it should be giving me some results, so we'll see how that works. Okay, next up from Studio Makeup, this is the, what is this? Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum, which retails for $45. The only thing I've tried from Studio Makeup is their liquid eyeshadows, which I do like those. So the perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. Okay, that's a cool product to have. Next up from Seraphine Botanicals, this is a Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner, which retails for $18. This is a vegan, fade proof, water resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create a precise definition where you want. Can't get this out. Oh, okay, so it's in packaging, so I'm not going to open it, so I'm going to save it for whenever I do want to use it. So there's that. And then lastly, we have this eyeshadow palette here, which packaging's super cute, and the back says limited edition. I've never in my life heard of this brand. The Ditto Cosmetics limited edition Venus 12 shade palette, which retails for $29.99. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm neutral brown colors. The opaque, high pigmented satin soft formula provides an adhesive for multiple beauty shades ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. Oh, I have a shade that looks like it is broken in the pan, but like not like a big deal. Let me just kind of press it in. It actually looks like a really pretty palette. Okay, so yeah, this is actually a really cute little palette. I am going to definitely try this out because I just like was touching the shades and they did feel like super different than anything else that I've ever tried before. So I am going to definitely give that a try. But yeah, that is everything that I got on my Boxycharm. Am I impressed? It's a good array of products, but honestly though, I'm really glad that I am did cancel already and all of that. So let me know what you got down below. Are you guys considering canceling? I know a lot of people have DM'd me and commented on videos saying that you canceled because the price increased and actually decided to keep Ipsy instead of Boxycharm because Ipsy is getting a lot of Boxycharm products now. So let me know if you're going to keep Boxycharm or if you already canceled and what you got in your box and your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. And yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!